Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Warrior Magnetic Driver Guide Kit. I got this from Harbor Freight for $5.90, so let's get into the video. This kit comes with a 6-inch magnetic drive guide. It also comes with a good variety of 1-inch bits and a 2-inch magnetic bit holder. The 6-inch extension is fairly well built. I do like the sleeve it comes with to help stabilize a screw. The bits fit in pretty well. I'd say it's on the looser side, but strong enough to where I don't think it's going to be too big of a problem. Again, I felt like the whole thing was fairly stable and it didn't seem like it bent very much at all. The shaft was pressed into a hexagon fitting versus just a round one, so it should handle a fair amount of torque. I do like the case it comes in. It seems to be fairly well built, and I do like how there is a clear lid so you can see all of the bits clearly. I'm not the biggest fan of how the lid opens, but at $5.90 I can't really complain. There's a little bit of wobble in the lid, but not too much to be too concerned about. I like the fact that you do come with 2 different bit extensions, one larger and one smaller, comes in very handy. And I like that one of the magnetic bit holders even fits within the case. The bit sleeves do rotate up, but I don't like how there is no sizing on the other side as well, so I find it a bit confusing when you flip them up. So I'm not the biggest fan of the configuration, but again, for the price you're paying, it's acceptable. So while the configuration isn't optimal, I do say it's a fairly good kit, and for only $5.90 with the coupon, I say that this is definitely a must-have for anyone who wants a decent quality bit set. The bits are in a 1-inch form factor. They seem to be fairly well built. They have a coating and this seems to be fairly scratch resistant. These are made out of CRV steel and should hold up to a decent amount of torque. If you are going to be doing any extreme torque with impacts, get an impact rated bit because these are not. I do like the 2-inch bit holder. It's pretty nice. The only problem I have with it is the shank is pressed into a round sleeve, so it's not going to be able to handle any extreme torque, but normal use should be just fine. Thanks for watching. I hope this review and unboxing was helpful to you. I would recommend this set for light and medium duty use. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you then.